welcome back to another vlog. I'm Sophia, if you guys are new here. Okay, we're starting off the vlog. I just went to the package room and I got so many packages. Then I thought I would do an unboxing for you guys. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button, and leave me a comment down below. Alright, is that good enough? I have so many. Do you see all these? First thing I have here is this. Hi Sophia, I'm so excited for you to receive 2 of our favorite pieces from our collection. We can't wait to see how you style them and hope you enjoy. Looking forward to keeping in touch. Sharon and the Cherie team. Let's see. Oh, how cute is this packaging? So cute. Oh, look at this ring. How cute. You guys know I love gold. It's like the only jewelry I wear. Oh my gosh, these earrings. Look how cute these earrings are. They're like little daggers. You could stab someone with these. Cute. Thank you, Cherie, for sending me these. Can't wait to try them. This is their Instagram as well. There's that. Okay, then I got this package from Coco and Kind. We're starting off the vlog with an unboxing, guys. How exciting. Ooh, okay, let's look. Okay, so it says, it's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Oh my gosh, how freaking cute! Look at this hat. Guys, stop. I freaking love yellow. You guys know this. Well, this is not really yellow. It's like a tangerine yellowy color. It says, what does it say? Coco Kind, and then it says wear SPF. This is so cute. I'm literally gonna wear this to the pool today. Okay. And then, what else do we have in here? Okay, we have the resurfacing sleep mask. This is an overnight mask with plant-derived retinol alternative. This is the revitalizing eye cream. The daily SPF facial sunscreen lotion, which I definitely need, especially in the summer. Texture smoothing cream. Wait, this is interesting. Plumping and retexturizing for bright, youthful skin. We also have the rose water toner and the oil to milk cleanser. Oh my gosh, thank you Coco Kind for sending me these. I can't wait to try it. Lots of new skincare to try, guys. And a cute bucket hat. Are you kidding me? This is so cute. I literally am gonna wear this today. But, okay, there's that package. Then we have this. This is the new Honeymoon Body Glow. This is from Pharmacy. Oh, what is this? Movie night. To celebrate our latest product combo, Pharmacy Cinema is thrilled to present this evening's entertainment featuring our most beloved on-screen couples. Grease, Titanic, Beauty and the Beast. Grab your person, sit back, relax, enjoy your Pharmacy night in. Wait, what? 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 Guys, wait, this is so freaking cool. Okay. No freaking way did they just send me a freaking popcorn machine. No way they did that. Okay, what, guys? Okay, so, what the This is so cool. Okay, so they send little popcorn things. There's some lemon heads. What is in this? Wait, I'm just, oh my gosh. Pharmacy night in, hashtag the perfect combo. This is the coolest PR package ever. Another one, this has the Honeymoon Glow Body, the Honeymoon Glow Night Serum. We got some, what is this? An Amazon gift card? What? some juicy fruit. There's some other snacks down there. Oh my gosh, what the hell? And then this pot. Are you kidding me? What in the... What? This is the coolest PR package ever. I think that's it. But, oh my gosh, no freaking way. This is the coolest thing ever. Thank you, pharmacy, for sending me this. I can't wait. I'm gonna show my brothers and sister downstairs later. But that's really freaking cool. Let's see what's in here. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. These flowers are beautiful. What the heck? Send me this. This is so cute. I freaking love flowers. And I needed my flowers over there. Not dead yet, but they're slowly dying. We got some L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is one of my favorite mascaras. It's so good. And we got a bunch of L'Oreal tinted moisturizers. How cute. I'm also gonna reuse this bag because that's really cute. These flowers are beautiful. Who sent this to me? Did L'Oreal send this to me? Is this from L'Oreal? I think it's from L'Oreal because they sent me L'Oreal stuff. So thank you, Farm Girl Flowers and L'Oreal. This shit is so cool. Okay. Oh, I have one more package. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then I have a package from Volition Beauty. Okay, so the sunscreen for sunscreen haters, period. This is the Volition Mineral Prismatic Luminizing Shield SPF 35. Okay, but can we take a moment to look at this packaging? Like, what? Look at this bag. I'm literally gonna reuse it. Holographic, and then it comes with the Mineral Prismatic Luminizing SPF moisturizer. I love this packaging. Wait, what is this? Oh, you twist it off. Cute. Okay, those are all the packages that I had to unbox today. I feel like the vlog started off a little aggressive. But yeah, thank you guys so much for all these packages, and I need to recycle all these because now my room is a mess. Yeah, my room is literally exploded with all these things. It honestly gives me so much anxiety because it's just like I hate a clutter. So this is what I'm about to do right now. I'm gonna like recycle everything and like put all these skincare and stuff away. I'm so excited to try all this new skincare out. It's like one of my favorite things to do. And also these flowers. I'm so excited. I just posted everything on my Instagram story. So if you guys want to check it out. A little unboxing haul on my story. So if you guys want to go follow my Instagram, shameless plug. What are we having for lunch, Paula? Angelo?
Sushi, babe.
So Paula made this last night, and Angelo is her little helper. You want to tell them what's the ingredients, Paula?
Angela can do it.
What's in it?
Because you helped so much last night. Sour cream, mayo, sugar, the seaweed seasoning thing.
Let's try it out. See if it's good. Oh, do you like the Spanish latte?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, everyone. Cheers.
Cheers. Dip it.
So good.
Good.
Hi guys. I am going to the post office. Sorry, there's a lot of construction going on right now. But I'm going to the post office. I have a bunch of Depop orders and Ignited Apparel orders that I need to bring to the post office. By the way, even though Ignited Apparel is still under construction right now, you guys can still purchase items off there, so help the girl out and clear it out too. But yeah, going on a nice walk. It's really nice out today, so I'm That is what I'm doing. Has it been blurry the whole time? Sorry. Okay, so we've just been chilling here in the living room. I wanted to show you guys some of the tricks that Rocket knows because he's super smart. You're so smart, right? Let's show them. Okay, sit. Paw. Other paw. Other paw. Down. Good job. Little genius. Paw. Yep. There you go, guys. There you go. Alright guys, I'm about to go to the gym. Here's my gym fit for the day. I'm wearing this black top, which is from Gymshark. It's just their like long sleeve cropped top. And then these leggings are from Aerie. And they're the 7/8 ones, so they're like the perfect length for me. So yeah, today is back and buys day. And we're actually going home today, back to Jersey, because we're going home for the weekend, and I'm also going to do a weekend vlog as well. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Let's go to the gym, get a workout in. Time to go to New Jersey! With the grass! Okay, we're packing it up. Pack it up, pack it up, pack it up. Walk. Okay, Mister. Time to go, time to go. Can I bring his backpack? I don't think so. Okay. Look at my head. Angela! Because I don't think it's gonna fit. It's gonna close. Hey, baby! Look, it's Lolo! It's Lolo and Lola! It's Lolo and Lola! How are you? It's your Lolo. Lolo! Lolo and Lola! Hi, Angelo! Oh, not even us, Ma? Hello, babies! I'm cute. I forgot my wallet. Wow! We are getting work smarter, not harder, people. It's our favorite place ever. Let's play a game. Who's the cutest? I win. What did you get?
Green tea Oreo.
Wow.
I guess.
Yo, Peter's vlog! The main attraction is here. Anyways, so today we are going kayaking with the fam. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great. Come on, booby. And this one. Me. It's her. It's coming with us. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. You gonna come kayaking? There we go. You're gonna come kayaking. Go potty first. Okay, bye. Here we are. We have our, that's Mickey's kayak.
Where's mommy?
Our kayak. Rocket. Okay, Rocket's never swam before, but he's got swimming instincts. Swim. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, we're in there. We're in there. Oh. Okay, guys. Go Rocket. Yeah. Where is he? Oh my gosh, Rocket! It's your first time on the water. Wow. I'm gonna drown. There's Mickey. Over there. You like it in here? What? Wow. Look at you. Oh my gosh. Yeah. He wants to go in so bad. Wait, stop. Hey, Dad. Oh, he got his fishing rod.
For dear life. Paula Cam, we out here, Lake Lenape. Lenape. What the heck? This is illegal. We're doing it anyway. Quercus style. Quercus style. Catching up with the Quercuses.
Oh my god, here she go.
Would you guys tune in to see the main star me?
Shut up.
P is such a hater. It's because she's rowing and I'm eating.
Always how it goes, guys.
Work smarter, not harder, people.
How it goes.
Oh, look at her go. My little sailor. He's doing so good, guys. He's just sitting there. You're so cute. Little eye boogies. You're so good. So cute. Did you have fun? Yes. 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 So cute. We are finished kayaking. We're gonna go get some ice cream. I have a headache. Ice cream? You want some ice cream? He likes it. I got my ice cream. It's slowly melting, but the things you do for the Instagram. Yeah. Hi guys, it's later now. Me and the girls are gonna go get some dinner and drinks by the water. I got like a little bit tan today by the lake, but it's the outfit. I'm just wearing this top, which is from Free People, these jeans from PacSun, and yeah, let's go. Say hi, girl. Say hi, Anna. Hi. Alright. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the. I'm 21, guys. We're all 21. Welcome to the vlog. Hi.
Guys, guess what? I'm a CICU nurse at the This shot's for free. This shot's for free. Take it. Mom was like, I don't want to take it. Here. Come back, pretty.
There you go. Don't tell me I'm navigating anything.
I'm the designated driver because I am the responsible one. So I will be sitting on Niagara. It has a nice tart flavor to it, made from the fountains of Canada. Be like me. No, it's good.
We are at the beach. Last night was super fun. I got really drunk. Julie was our designated driver. Hello, everybody. Here's Paula, Anna. The three of us we had a lot of fun. And
So much fun.
Four of us. Drunk fun, sober fun. But all together, lots of fun.
So much fun.
So much fun.
You know what? As long as we're together, it's a good time. You know,
Yeah.
you gotta keep good company on you.
Good company.
Hey everybody! They are saying that it's raining. I think they're just bad vibes.
Only good vibes over here, guys.
I think it's everything is mind over matter.
Yeah, it's not really raining if you don't think it.
If you don't think it is, I mean, we're at the beach. Like, the water's right there. You know, it could hit us. I felt something on my lip.
It's got crusty.
I meant like water. But yeah, it's raining.
Julie, take over.
Julie, take over. Julie Cam.
Next on today's agenda, finding
Father's Day gift.
Father's Day gift.
Father's Day, which is tomorrow.
Yep. It is what it is, guys.
at least we're getting him something. And we're planning on getting him a cooler. Huh? Why is there so many people in line? Where did you find that? Is it dead? Is that a real snake? Ah! What the heck? Wait, is it alive? Where was that?
In the pan!
Dad! Where was that?
In the pan. He's eating the
fish?
He tried to eat the fish, but he was like caught in the net.
Did you kill it?
No, he's dead already because he's caught in the net.
Oh. Like a rocket?
Gosh.
We're giving Dad his Father's Day gift. A day early, but whatever.
Ah, there you go. Oh.
Dad, that's from Mickey and Angelo.
Mickey and Angelo, really? Who's this one?
Mickey and Angelo.
What is it?
This is for you! No, we have to open this one because this is for...
We wanted it for your party.
Yes! Okay.
And-
And the tournament tomorrow.
Yeah, so you guys can just drink and play with your friends, you know, since you're retired.
Woo!
I don't even know what it is.
It's for your parties, Dad, now that you can have your
Thank
backyard.
you, Mickey and Angelo.
You didn't even know what it was. That's from me and Paula.
And don't tell me this is skydiving again.
No. It's not here yet. But it's ordered.
For your next party.
It's supposed to be for your parties, but
Okay, yeah.
it's a nice.
It's nice,
Cool.
right?
I've been...
Hi guys, sorry the lighting is so bad right now. It's like late and I feel like I haven't really been like actually sitting down and talk to you guys about like just vlogging. I feel like this vlog has been all over the place because I've been home, but it's Saturday night. Tomorrow's Father's Day, but we went to church and then we like had like a Father's Day dinner thing a day ahead and then we just gave him a gift. But I think I'm gonna vlog tomorrow, a little bit of tomorrow, and then we're heading back to Philly, and then I think that's when I'm gonna end the vlog. So I'm still vlog tomorrow, but yeah, sorry if this vlog's been really chaotic. I already can tell my editor is gonna be like, what is this vlog? It's all over the place. Next week I have a pretty chill week. So, I did not upload a vlog this week. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Just wanted to pop in and apologize for this chaotic vlog. Anyways, see you tomorrow.
Hello, guys. We're having a little Father's Day party. Hi, can you focus? Yesterday we got our dad. Technically it's for us, but whatever. This cornhole set. Got our little setup going. Look at my mom's flowers. Very excessive, but very beautiful. That doesn't count. Hi, Dad.
Hey!
Yeah. Say hi. Say hi, girl. Hi.
your subscribers.
No, it's not.
When did you get this?
We have that one for a long time. I just forgot to use it.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
We're back home. I am literally exhausted. It's like, what time is it? It's midnight. Guys, tomorrow's the start of the new week. I am so tired. As you guys saw, we had our Father's Day little festivities with our family. It was lots of fun. Now we're back in Philly. I'm gonna finish unpacking and just kind of get settled in. Rocket is exhausted too. Like, look at me right now. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little weekend vlog. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
What the heck? Wait, is it alive? Where was that?
In the front.
Dad! Where was that?
In the front.